What's going on YouTube? It's your guy TopDownKickz back with another banger. Today's video, I got the Bred 3s. So the plan is to go ahead and get these bad boys prepped up, do a couple ice sessions, and then we're gonna head off and paint these bad boys and let go. Ice these Breds for about 2 to 4 hours max, 3 sessions, and here's the results. They looking good to go, man, but we need to like paint that area, some of those scuffs and missing paints. But look at the bottoms. If you go back to the first part of the video and to this point, man, I did pretty great on that area, especially that Nike sign. But we're gonna move on to black paint, and I'm gonna let the rest of this part of this video play out, and I'll be right back in a few. For the last step, I like to take the matte finish, 3 to 6 sprays, 12 inches away, let it sitting for about 20 hours, and you're good to go, man. And if you made it this far, make sure you hit that like, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Any questions, drop it down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.